In this video, we're going to understand what the stat column means when you run the ps command on an Ubuntu system. Let's begin with a simple example. Open your terminal and type this command, psaux. This shows a list of all processes running on your system. One of the columns in the output is called stat. That column shows the status of each process using short codes made of letters. Let's take one line from the output as an example. You might see something like this. In this example, the stat column value is s's. The first letter is the main process state. The most common ones are R means running. The process is either running or ready to run. S means sleeping. The process is waiting for something, like input or a signal. D means uninterruptible sleep. Usually, it's waiting on hardware like a disk. Z means zombie. The process has finished, but it's not yet cleaned up by its parent. T means stopped. This can happen if you pause the process manually. In our example, the first S means the process is sleeping. The second letter gives extra information. S means the process is a session leader. That often includes shells like bash or programs you start directly from the terminal. Plus means the process is in the foreground and attached to a terminal. L means the process is multi-threaded. N means it has low priority. So, when you see SS, it means the process is sleeping and it is also a session leader. You can go through several processes and look at their stat values. Each one gives you a small snapshot of what that process is doing. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.